Welcome to the Fuller Tracy Money Audio Commentary. This is Owen Tracy recording. It's 4:11 p.m. that is Central Time. Today is February 3rd. Well, today we saw that the disintermediation question came right to the fore, and several of the more significant software as a service and software businesses have broken lower. Adobe is one of those, and it's at a new reaction low. So this is raising important questions about what does disintermediation mean? What companies are going to be the biggest beneficiaries of it? Which will be the biggest victims? And are we looking at a trend that is durable on the downside, or is it just another question about who are the biggest winners and losers from artificial intelligence? That question has waxed and waned for the last several years. At the beginning of this whole trend, it was that Microsoft was going to be the big beneficiary. And now that they've invested so much money in OpenAI, there's a little bit of questioning about that. Then it was going to be Meta, and Meta was going to be the big beneficiary, and yet Meta has also rolled over. Then there has been some questioning about whether Google would be a beneficiary at all, and yet it has been among the better beneficiaries of the trend over the last 6 months. Then there is a lot of questioning about whether Apple is going to have any input into this trend at all, and they're not really spending the money to get into it either. But the big decision today was that Anthropic was deciding that they were going to start releasing legal AI bots that would have a significant effect on any company selling into that business sector. So it raises important questions for software generally. Then we also had a significant rebound today in the precious metals sector. So gold, having been almost down to $70 on Friday, is now trading around $83. It was up 6 today. Gold was up in a very dynamic manner. So the low of the day was at 4,600 and its close at 4,660, and the high of the day is at 4,946. So we're talking about a good size rebound. That kind of thing does not happen all that often, but you often get the biggest days on the upside immediately following some of the biggest days on the downside. What it really helps to emphasize is that volatile markets can happen both on the up and on the downside. But also it's worth considering we've had a massive reaction against the prevailing trend. And a massive reaction against the prevailing trend is often followed by a range. And the chances are we're at the lower side of the range right now. Now, when we think about the energy sector, oil prices today were up $1.